In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 5.4, class 9, subject maths. Factorize each cubic polynomials by factor theorem. Question number 2. Today we will do. But before starting this lecture, first of all, subscribe my channel, like videos and share videos with your friends, and also click on bell icon and click on all options so that you have to get updates about my new videos. Cubic polynomial means its highest power equals to 3, like x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 40. Okay, first step for this exercise is, first of all you have to let this question equals to px. You have to name it as x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 40. This exercise is important for the point of view of long queues in board exams. So you have to do carefully. So first of all you have to let this equals to px. Now you have to identify. Let's see, in cubic polynomials 40 is the constant term. It is known as p. Now q means q is the coefficient of x cube. So you have to write its formula first of all. I will take another paper and we have to solve on this page. So first of all let's see, p equals to 40. P will be the constant term and q is the coefficient of the highest power term. So 1, that is the q. So coefficient means the multiplying factors are digits with variables. So that is known as the coefficient. You have to write p and q. So you can write its formula p of x divided by q of x. Px here 40, 40 divided by 1. So 40 divided by 1 means 40. So you can write the factors of 40. Factor means 40 comes in which tables. So you can write here plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 8, plus minus 10, plus minus 20 and plus minus 40. These are the possible factors for 40. So you can write one time plus and second time minus. इसका मतलब ये है कि 40 के फैक्टर्स प्लस में भी वही होंगे और माइनस में भी, ठीक है, ये मतलब है इसका. Now we have to apply. So you can write the answer statement here. You can write here possible factors of px are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 8 up to plus minus 40. ठीक है, ये मैंने पेज पे आपको करके भी दिखा दिया up to 40. So now you have to apply here factor theorem. You will use the hit and trial method to find zeros of px. If answer equals to 0, then you can say that these are the factors of px. If answer not equals to 0, then you can say that these are not the factors of px. So we will start here. So first of all you have to put here x equals to 1. You can write here put x equals to plus 1. So you can put here p into 1 cube minus 1 square minus 22 into 1 plus 40. So after simplification you have to get 1 minus 1 minus 22 plus 40. It will be cancelled. Now 40 minus 22. You have to get here 22, I think 18 plus 18. So it will not equals to 0. So it means you can write here statement here. So x, one shift here, it becomes, you can write here, hence x minus 1 is not a factor of px. Is it clear? ये आपने लिखना है। अब मैं इसमें वो फैक्टर्स पुट करूँगी। इसी तरह आपने ये सारे फैक्टर्स पुट करके चेक करना है कि किस नंबर पे या किस फैक्टर पे इसका आंसर ज़ीरो आता है। इस पे ज़ीरो आएगा वो आपका सोल्यूशन सेट होंगे, और कोई से 3 फैक्टर्स इनफ होते हैं फैक्टराइज्ड फॉर्म को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, ठीक है। तो ये तो फैक्टर नहीं होगा, इसलिए ये स्किप हो जाएगा। इसी तरह आप x इक्वल्स टू -1, उस पर भी आंसर ज़ीरो नहीं आएगा। नाउ यू हैव टू पुट हियर, पुट x इक्वल्स टू 2। अब x इक्वल्स टू 2 हम पुट करके देखते हैं। सो p इंटू 2 इक्वल्स टू 2 क्यूब -2 होल स्क्वायर -22 into 2 plus 40 as it is. So after simplification you have to get 2 raised to power 3 means here 2 written here 3 times, 2 to the 4 minus 44 and plus 40. So 8 minus 4 equals to plus 4 and minus equals to 4. So check that it will be equals to 0. So it means this is the factor of px. So you can write here answer. Hence that is the answer statement, you can must write. Hence x equals to 2 is a 0 of px, and therefore so 2 shift here, it becomes minus. X minus 2 is a factor of px. Now you have to put x equals to -2, then you have not equals to 0. So you have to put x equals to 4. Now we will check here. Put x equals to 4. Now you have to get here p into 4 equals to 4 cube minus 4 square minus 22 into 4 plus 40 as it is. Now 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64, 4 4 the 16, 88 plus 40. So 64 minus 16, 8 48. Now 88 minus 88 plus 40 equals to minus 48. 48 minus 48 equals to 0. It means when you will put x equals to 4, you have to get the answer of px equals to 0. So you can write the same statement. Hence x equals to 4 is a 0 of px, and therefore so 4 shift to other side, then it become minus. So x minus 4 आप इस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे क्योंकि पीछे आंसर इस फॉर्म में दिया गया। x minus 4 is a factor of px. So now you have to put here x equals to plus 5. You will not get answer equals to 0. No, you have to put here, put x equals to minus 5. So p into minus 5 equals to minus 5 whole cube minus 5 whole square minus 5 and plus 40 as it is. You can write it. Now its cube is equals to 125. Its power is odd, so you have to put here minus. Now its power is even number. Even number means divisible by 2. So 5 5 the 25. Negative sign become positive. Now 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 110 plus 40. Now minus minus plus, it becomes 150. It becomes plus 150. So its answer equals to 0. It means after putting x equals to minus 5, you have to get answer equals to 0. So you can write the same statement here. Hence x equals to minus 5 is a 0 of px, and therefore so minus 5 shift to other side, then it become plus 5. Therefore x plus 5 is a factor of px. So check that, you have to get here 3 zeros. So So you can write here answer statement. Thus the factorized form, that is the proper way to solve the question. Factorized form of px, you can write its question, px x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 40 is, new form is px. So you can write its answer x minus 2. Now second is x minus 4. Now third is x plus 5. So you have to find 3 factors here. That is the answer. So this question is very important for the point of view of long question. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक करें, चैनल अच्छा लगेगा तो सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को शेयर भी करें और क्लिक ऑन बेल आइकन so that you have to get updates about my new videos. Allah Hafiz to all of you and take care of yourself.